These are the Bosch PL1632 and PL2632 planers. These high-performance planers provide fast and even stock removal with a smooth finish and are designed for typical planer applications such as trimming doors. The aluminum front and rear shoes are precision machined after assembly to ensure accuracy. These planers not only feature a lock-off button to help prevent accidental startup, but also a lock-on button for extended operation, an industry first. The guide fence mounts to both the front and back of the tool for stability, and a plastic overshoe to prevent marring of your workpiece. The cord swivel makes it extra easy to position the power cord. A built-in spring-loaded stand elevates the tool to protect the blade and the resting spot and allows easy entry into the middle of your workpiece. The PL1632 comes with the dual mount fence, the plastic overshoe, and a shavings bag. The PL2632 also includes a case and the 3-degree overshoe. So here they are, the Bosch PL1632 and PL2632 planers. For more information on these tools, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
Remember when you had to smooth out those joists? When you needed to easily fix a stubborn door or make 2 uneven boards flush? Now you can do all this and more with the Win electric hand planer. The 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute through even the hardest of woods. While most of our competitors have a maximum depth of 5/64 of an inch, the Win planer exhibits 16 positive stops in 1/128th inch increments to fine-tune your cuts anywhere up to 1/8 of an inch deep. The Win electric hand planer also comes with a handy dust collection bag that can be attached to either the right or left-hand side of the planer, an adjustment wrench with onboard storage, a kickstand to protect your blade, a rabbiting guide to help measure the depth of your rabbets, and a parallel fence for making perfectly straight cuts. The base of the plate even has a V-shaped groove to help make chamfering the corners of your wood easier than ever. And if you have a dust extractor, you can plug it right into either side of your unit to maximize the collection of sawdust and keep your work area clean. Remember when you had a reliable planer that gave you years of quality service?
Remember when?